Hey guys, it's Regina Hong here. Welcome back to my channel. I made this makeup video to celebrate this year's Halloween. I'm not an expert in this, so I think I'll give some horror to makeup artists. Anyway, let's start. I'll use this CC cream as my base. It's a lot lighter than my skin tone, so I rarely use this. But if I spread it out, it's not as light as it seems. But I'm going for the pale look today after all, so I'm going to use it. Next, I'll use concealer. The shade of this concealer is actually pretty similar to the CC cream, just a little bit lighter. My skin condition is so bad lately, so I need to cover the redness with this. Next, I'm going to use this eye primer to pop out this eyeshadow color later. Next is brows. I'm struggling to get my brows straight here, so I'll skip this step. Sorry. Next is eyeshadow. I'm going to put it all over my lid. I had to remove my contact lens for now because it stinks like hell. But hey, don't even use this product. It's not healthy and it's really hard to blend. I'm using this because it's just the only red shadows that I have. To give it some value, I'm using the darkest shade here. It's actually pretty purple. I'm going to apply it at the inner and outer corner of my eye. I didn't know anything about this product. My sister gave it to me. I'm using the glitter gold and the darkest brown to give the eye highlight and shadow. Now I'm going to contour to give my flat face some volume. Now because I look dead, I'm going to pop out some coral blush. Nothing special about the color, just because I love it more than using the pink blush. Back to eye makeup. This eyeliner has a very sharp applicator, good for thin and thick line. Just going to make a straight thin line there. Carefully. I really like this mascara because it makes my lashes look bomb. I hate wearing mascara, but I hate using fake lashes more. Using the previous red shadow, I'm making thin veins like lines, trying not to over it under my eyes. Yep, just like that. Time for lip makeup. This lip cream is very red and thick. So I'm just applying it at the inner corner of my lips and spreading it out with cotton buds. Didn't realize that it was out of focus. Sorry. I'm going to add depth with this burgundy lipstick. And the fun part, spilled blood. Yeah, I'm just using the thick red lip cream for it. Done! What a last minute Halloween look. I hope you weren't triggered and entertained by this video. Anyway, happy Halloween everybody. See you on my next video. Bye!